Now as a car comes, this is rare, but just look at it. So this is a Land Rover Defender 110 P400e. So this is the hybrid, plug-in, electric 400 brake horsepower. But have you seen a better looking one? Pangea green. It's a HSE, so it's fully loaded. It's an X-Dynamic, but then it's got all the extras you would want. Look at it, black exterior pack, wide arch kit, 22-inch wheels, snorkel, ladders, contrasting black roof, side steps. It's outstanding. So you've got that rural, off-road Defender presence and look, but then you've got the plug-in 30-mile electric, switching to petrol, and it's a hybrid, it charges itself as well. So it doesn't get better. Pangea green as well, which is a proper colour, isn't it? It's superb. You've then got, these are all from factory, we've got bonnet decal, badging, the insert has been done in black. It's an X-Dynamic, so we've got all the under section under here is in black, but then you've got the wide arch kit round there, mud flaps, colour-coded side steps, 22-inch wheels from factory. The full-size spare is a 22 as well, in high gloss black. And I just think it's the colour contrast, the Pangea green. Then you've got all the black roof, storage box in black. Look at it at the back, you've even got rear spoiler, spare wheel cover. It looks tremendous, the car. We've never had another P400e what looks like this, and we've probably had a handful of P400. You just can't get them. This car's a HSE as well, so when I move on inside and show you the extras, it's got all the features you would want. So it's all keyless entry. So we've got, you can see illuminated there, this car's got ambient lighting, you've got memory seats, you've got the Meridian upgraded surround sound system. That's been paid for, £800 option. Now if I move back, all electric memory seats. With it being a HSE, you've got lots more leather, so the steering wheel along the dashboard. Now I'm just going to put the power on. You've got heated steering wheel, we've got adaptive cruise control, you've got heated and cooled seats, air suspension, 11.4-inch larger screen in the front, tilt and slide sunroof. And I'll just show you the digital cockpit so you can see now. You've got the range, so we've got some plug-in range there as well, 11 miles. So it gives you 30 miles from a full charge. So around the cities, absolutely fantastic. Camera system is superb. You've got full 3D camera. And you can hear the little beeping. So because the car's now in electric mode and it's in reverse, there's that little beeping sound to let people know that you're reversing because the car's silent. You've then got air suspension here to raise the car up and down, heated and cooled seats. And if I go back into the main menu, and then you've got digital climate control, wireless Apple CarPlay, navigation. If I go into EV, and then that shows you all the different features, because this is what it's all about, isn't it? And hybrid cars at the moment are on fire. We are selling them because full electric cars are not. Hybrids, people want them because they've got the option. You can charge it, but then you can switch to petrol. You're not worrying about having to take it places to get the car charged. So the engine on this car is super rare, but you don't get them that look like this. It's had thousands and thousands of pounds spent on the car. All your USB charging points in the back, all your ISOFIX. This car's a 22, so it's got actually just over 2 years Land Rover warranty and Land Rover Assist. Huge boot space. So the other thing is as well, even though you've got the battery here, look at the size of the boot. You're not losing any boot space. You've got fantastic boot space. You've got an air suspension button there as well. And then just to show you how the charging works, so that is your charging cable, and then the other side is your petrol. You even got the ladder on it. It's a fantastic car. It's going live. It's unbelievably rare. There's hardly no cars available, and I can categorically tell you there isn't another P400e HSE X Dynamic in the UK that looks like that. Thank you for watching.